Hi, Malik here. Have you ever reached for a doorknob and zap, got a shock? Why does this happen? That shock is caused by static electricity. Have you ever come inside on a cold day, taken off your hat, and had your hair stand straight up? That's static electricity. Have you ever rubbed a balloon on your sweater and held it near a wall? What happened? That's right, the balloon stuck to the wall. This is also caused by static electricity. Static electricity is why some clothes stick together when you pull them out of the dryer. Can you think of other times you've seen or felt static electricity?
So what effect did the static electricity have on the object? So on page 59 in your Be a Scientist notebook, the one that you write in, you're going to answer this question. What effect did the static electricity have on the object? So you saw different examples in the video. Now you need to think about those examples and you need to write what effect did the static electricity have on the object.